my handle, and here's my spout. Can you guess what project I'm working on? No, it's not a little teacup. But as you can see, there's not a lot of places to put extra fuel. We can even take a look underside. Big old 33, gray tank, and on the front side, that's where my propane is. And if you look on the back, we've got Stare, a red diesel can for my heater, and back here, just a very large storage unit. So it doesn't really leave a lot of place for extra fuel. But hey, since when is impossible ever stopped us? Let's see what we can come up with. Okay, I know what you're thinking. Why in the world would you put that in front of your passenger door? Well, if you haven't been following me along on Instagram, you would know that that's my passenger, a 75 quart Dometic. That and of course Lily. So I have plenty of clearance once I remove the gas cans. Well, that pretty much does it for me. I hope with this that inspires your creativity, and just because somebody says that hasn't been done or that won't work, don't let it stop you. Do what works for your rig, and we'll see you guys on the flip side.